Yes, dear children, as you all know, I have already sent the question paper for y'all, recorded the question paper for y'all for term 2, sent by board. Okay, that sample paper, and now this is the answers. You must have all solved it, and this is the time to check yourself whether what you have done is correct or not. And through this, you will also come to know the marking scheme, because 2 marks, how the board divides, that you should come to know. So you will come to know through this. Section A, as you see, the question was related to valency and all. And this is what A, P and R. A has half marks, okay, and half and half. For P and R, both half and half. And B, for writing that carbon has a valency, it is 1 marks. Okay, tetravalency or catenation, दोनों के लिए अलग से half of marks है. So children, this is how the marks is divided. It's very, very important for you to know. Now, second also, you see, it's not just 1 and 1. So see how that marks is divided. For A, it is half and half 1 marks. For B, W is bigger ke liye half marks, and the reason for that half marks. So that is how. Third, that bio question related to reproduction, that also you can see. Okay, किस तरह से marks distributed है, वो आप देखो. Okay. So I'm not reading out. If I read out the whole thing, it will become very lengthy. I will just halt at each of the answers so that it's clearer for you to understand. You can just check third A and B, how the 2 marks is divided. Then we come to fourth question. Okay. And there also you see कैसे half of marks पूरा divided है 2 में. So how you have to answer to the point. You must answer to all the questions which the board asks, and then you will be scoring that 2 marks. So it is easy if you take it like that, and it's difficult if you answer properly. So then we come to the fifth question. Fifth question. The top portion is what? Yes. So children, you can see for fifth question how the marks is divided. It is happening. Then we come to sixth. You can see A, for writing downwards you get 1 marks, and for B, for that 1 marks. Okay, then we come to the other option. Yes. You can just see it, just halt at each of the places, and you can check how the marks distribution is done, so that it's easier for you to understand and prepare for the exams. Yeah. Seventh, again, bio question, that DDT question. Half, 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 and half marks. See the way it is divided, half, 1 and half. Yeah. That option question also, marks division. Very, very important, children. Please take it seriously. Let's go to section B. 3 marks questions. See the way the marks is divided. Be very, very careful in answering the questions. Each of the parts, what the examiner asks you, what is asked in the question paper, it should be answered in that particular way. Yes. Again, we come to 9th question from chemistry. Yes. Yes. Let's go to 10th, heredity question from heredity. There also, that is for 3 marks. Easy, if you have understood, you can score well, but if you beat around the bush, you are going to lose marks. Yes, 11th question. 11th question. Okay. Yes. 12th, as you can see, I'm just halting. Yeah, children. 13th. Yes. this is being done for you, children. So do avail maximum benefit from this. And yeah, again, if not subscribed, do subscribe to the channel, because term 2 exams tak bahut kuch aane wala hai. So subscribe so that you get, and whatever the notification, you'll get it, okay, as soon as a video is uploaded. And like, share, and put your comment how beneficial it has been. 14th question already passed, and finally we come to the 15th question. Case-based questions it is. Yeah. Okay, so this is the end, children. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Coming next will be the English paper. So keep watching, and wait patiently for English. I'll be posting it very soon. So thank you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.